Hi guys, in front of me is Galaxy A57 5G, and let me show you how to block a number. So at first open your phone dialer, then mark more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and enroll settings. Here select block numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator, you can add some number manually by yourself over here, you can add some color from recent colors, or you can pick some contact here to be blocked. And that's it, that will be all. This is how you can block numbers. To remove the blockade, smoothly mark minuses here. And obviously if you don't want to block all unknown numbers, just unmark the stop indicator. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.